Is the internet really the huge source of income people talk about? Or is it just a bunch of empty promises? We hear about teenagers banking six figures with YouTube, complete unnames making four figures daily on Instagram, yet the vast majority of people, as in 97% on average, that try never make a dime online. Stats like these piss me off, and they should piss you off too, because the internet explosion should mean more than enough opportunity for anybody. Hey, I'm Jason Fulton, along with my business partner, Mosh Barry, and here's the major problem with 99% of these so-called beginner-friendly systems. They ask you to hard sell products to people that, face it, may not just be interested. Affiliate marketing, e-com, list building, and the other dozens of methods that promise to be easy all involve hard selling to the end user. These types of advanced sales strategies are simply unrealistic for most people. Heck, even advanced marketers struggle with conversions, which is why I was so excited when Mosh shared a completely new system where there's no selling involved. In fact, the buyers find you. Using this exact method, Mosh and his students have been easily generating $150 in profits per day in a matter of minutes. In fact, even more than that, they've been able to generate $700 in a sale, $300 sales, $400 sales, okay? While making daily windfall profits, users have also been creating 100% passive income streams that grow on complete autopilot. Here is a snapshot of what we've been able to do every single day using Profiteer. Now, it took some time, but I eventually convinced Mosh to share this method outside his inner circle of close colleagues and students. But before making this game changer available publicly, we insisted it had to work exactly as promised for marketer of all levels, including complete beginners. This meant a copy and paste system that requires no technical skills, 100% free traffic without any of the hassles of social media, posting, or SEO. Real results, as in $150 or more, had to be achievable daily within as little as 24 hours. And to truly automate this process, we needed a push-button software that did all the work for you. Lastly, we wanted to back everything up with a from-scratch case study and step-by-step training showing anyone how to go from zero to over $852 just by following along. The result of Mosh's revolutionary concept and the automated software we created is called Profiteer. Back in the days of the gold rush, the people that banked the big bucks weren't the gold diggers, they were the ones selling shovels to the gold diggers. Unlimited market, unlimited demand, set your own price. That's exactly what Profiteer brings to today's online market. Mosh has uncovered an unlimited market that's growing every day, figured out exactly what these people need to promote their products online, then simply delivers it to them and makes you unfair profits every time. Highly profitable, fast cash engines are built for you inside of 60 seconds with the software. Then all you do is list them on a special site we share inside, and the buyers find you. No struggling for traffic because it's built right in. No hard selling products because the buyers are already looking. So even if you've struggled for years or tried dozens of methods and not seen results, you'll start putting three-figure profits straight into your account in as little as 24 hours from right now. You won't need any tech skills or previous experience. This simple three-part process is laid out for you step by step, and the software does 99% of the job for you. Testers of all levels and backgrounds, including beginners that have never made a dime online, have been making game-changing profits with Profiteer since day one, and you can see the proof of their results below. And to make this a no-brainer, there's absolutely zero risk when you pick up your license today. And here's how it works. Grab Profiteer now at a huge discount. Follow the quick overview to get set up today, and use the push-button software to put it on autopilot. Make money, then decide if this is for you. If after following the system inside you don't make profits, you can get a refund. The only risk is not to jump on board. So check out the complete details below, including the verified income proof and testimonials, then click the button for your no risk access. If you've ever struggled as a beginner marketer or to bring in new and passive income streams, Profiteer is the answer you've been looking for. New, fresh, beginner friendly, and proven to work in any niche. Simply rinse and repeat the process as often as you like to scale your income to game-changing levels. The market is unsaturated and actually growing every single day. But the price jumps, so if you wait, you will pay more or possibly miss your chance entirely. Imagine consistent, reliable, daily profits coming in each and every day in exchange for just a few minutes of your time. Profiteer makes this a reality and includes everything you need to make it happen. So check the details below, then click the Get Instant Access button to take advantage of the highly discounted early bird price. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside.